I know you know that land is one of the safest and most secure investments that you can make, but do you know that it is one of the easiest ways you can get scammed? Well, that is why in this video, I'll be sharing with you a major checklist you should have before you buy that land anywhere in Nigeria. See, once you follow this, you will not be scammed. You already know what to do. Welcome to the video. Come closer. Let's get right into it. At number one, ask for the documents. See, we all know that over 60% of lands in Nigeria are still owned by families. So if you purchase a land and the only thing they are giving you is survey plan, they are giving you receipts, they are giving you family agreement, all the family, they came together to sign and we've given you that is not enough. Ask important questions, right? Where is the certificate of occupancy, accession or gazette? Where is the registered deed of assignment? Ask for governor's consent. Ask a lot of questions and make sure that you have all the documents that you need. Number two, conduct a land search at the state registry. If you want to get a land in Lagos State, ensure that you conduct a land search in that registry, in Lagos State registry. It is very important. Get a legal practitioner to help you do this. It might take a few days, but it's going to save you years of wahala. This land search is going to expose so much to you. It will help you know who the real owner of the land is. If the land in question is under government acquisition, you'll get to know. You'll also know if this land has been sold multiple times, that is, to you and 10 others. And most importantly, you also get to know if this land has any problem. You know, maybe any court issues, maybe there's a little bit of issues in any court in Nigeria. You get to know all of this. It is very important that you do your findings online. Just get a legal practitioner to help you. Number three, visit the land physically. When you get there, ask questions from people that already live there or people that work there. They will tell you. Do FBI on top of the land that you want to buy, and also check different things. Check for boundary demarcations. Check if there are ongoing developments in the area. Not just that, check if the land is waterlogged or dry. I like to visit lands when it's, you know, rainy season because it just exposes a lot. I get to know, oh, this place we're going to swim to get to my land, or if we're going to use canoe or anything like that. At least you get to witness it yourself, right? And also check out for warnings. When they say this land is not for sale, don't argue, don't imagine, don't start to give reasons why it might be for sale. Believe it. You are saying that this land is not for sale. It is not for sale. Or better still, ask questions from the people that wrote it there. Why is this land not for sale? If it is not for sale, why are you selling it to me? Be very curious, be very inquisitive, so that you don't get scammed. Number four, nearly 40% of real estate court cases are because of omo-oniles. So please, when you're about to buy a land and omo-oniles are involved, it is very, very important that you ask a lot of questions. Number one, confirm if the family that owns the land or if the community that owns the land, confirm if they are aware. There are many times that the family, the owners of the land, don't even know that they are selling the land. They don't even know that their lands are for sale. We've seen it so many times, and this has caused issues. Omo-oniles will sell this particular land. The owners of the land they are not aware, and you now want to come and claim it, and there is problem. We have court cases, we have fights and all of that. But to avoid all of that, go to the right channels, go through the right channels, ask the family members, are you really selling this land? Are you sure there is no problem? Hope it's not that, oh, a part of the family want to sell the land, the other part, they don't want to sell it. It's better you don't even get involved in a messy case like that. So when you already know that they have internal disputes, or the owners of the land don't even know that their lands are up for sale, it's better you just leave it, just to avoid court cases, just to avoid wahala, so you don't use your money to buy problems for yourself. And ensure that you get the signatures of all parties, the community head, the head of the family, people of the family. Ensure that you have a signed document if you know that you still want to go ahead with this. Now, over to you. Let us know what should be on this checklist that is not on the checklist. Would like to know. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and follow us on all our social media platforms for more entertaining, engaging, informative real estate content as we'll be giving you back to back. Do not forget to share this video with people that you know would need this video, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.